you going to do today?
3D animals.
Very good. Okay, so we are going to make 3D animals using this kit. This kit is from Imagi to make 3D miniature models. So we can make 4 birds from this kit. They have given the foam shapes. Using this we can make the birds. So we have made already a kiwi and the mecha. Isn't that cute?
Yes.
Okay, shall we start?
Yes. Okay, let me.
So these are the foam sheets for making peacock. So here is the cutout. First we have to pop it out.
I love this.
So we have done popping out. So these cutouts have a sticky back so that we can just peel it and stick it. So here is the instructions on how to do the peacock. So next we are going to make the kingfisher bird. So here are the cutouts, foam cutouts. Now let's start.
I want to pop them out. I want to pop all of them. They're done making the animals. This peacock is so cute. This is a kiwi bird. This is a kingfisher. It's holding a fish. And this is a mecha. Bye bye. See you next video.